Good morning, student. Today you will discuss for civics chapter 1 on equality, and this lecture number is second. You can see that this word recognizing dignity. It means student कि आपने already discuss मैंने किया है कि apart from poverty people in India experience inequality in different ways like caste is one of the more common forms of inequality in India, caste, religion, etc. Incomes also, and two story also discuss Kanta and Om Prakash and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. So now Dalits words already discussed कि lower caste still face discrimination in various ways. Recognition dignity means self-respect. It is the mainly self-respect. So student constitution protection from discrimination in all treatment like equality and no discrimination and all can access to public places, untouchability is banned. इस तरीके से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में प्रोटेक्शन लाया गया. नाउ सी वर्ड इज रिकग्नाइजेशन इज डिग्निटी. Student, when people are discriminated against, this hurts and their self-esteem and dignity, and they lose their self-respect and confidence to work and help the society. Everyone in a democracy deserve equal respect so the society can progress together and no one is left behind. आपने जैसे ओम प्रकाश के स्टोरी में देखा कि उसे एक तरीके से सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिल रही थी और उसको एक तरीके से डिफरेंसेस आपने देखा कि उसे कोई एक तरीके से इक्वालिटी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हो रहा था, अनइक्वल. तो डिग्निटी इज़ द राइट ऑफ अ पर्सन टू बी वैल्यूड एंड रिस्पेक्टेड for their own sake and to be treated ethically, rules and regulation. When a person are treated unequally, their dignity is violent. Okay, so equal respect so society can progress together, no one is left behind. Equality. Okay, recognition dignity means equality, no discrimination, self respect. Okay, dignity means self respect. Now you can see that this picture, no discrimination on basis of religions. Okay, no differences, equality, it means no discrimination, all can access public places, untouchability banned. That is the no discrimination on basis of religion, caste and income, etc. Now right to equality constitution में provision लाया गया student. Right to equality, first article 14 equality before law. Second article 15 provisions of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. सब लोग equivalent, इसमें कोई भी discrimination नहीं है. No discrimination. Okay, article 16 equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. सबको एक इक्वालिटी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. ओके, एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए. एंड आर्टिकल 17 एबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचबिलिटी बैनड. ओके, एंड आर्टिकल 18 एबोलिशन ऑफ टाइटल्स ऑल्सो. दिस इज द राइट टू इक्वालिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ प्रोविजन. Okay, now write article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now see in this picture, abolition of untouchability is the banned. Okay, provision for equality India constitution. First, that every person is equal before the law. Second, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth or whether they are female or male. Third, every person has access to all public places including playground, shop and market. Fourth, untouchability has been abolished. Second, the two ways in which the government has tried to implemented the equalities. First, by different laws. There are several laws in India that protected every person right to be treated equally. Okay, right to be treated is equality. That is the mainly universal adult franchisee. It means equal right to vote. There are certain provision provided in the constitution for the recognition of equality. Okay, every person is equal before the law. And second, by government program and scheme, in addition to law, the government has also set up several schemes to improve the lives of communities and individuals who have been treated unequally for several centuries. For एग्ज़ाम्पल मिड डे मील स्कीम। उन्होंने फिर गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट ने स्टेप्स उठाए जिससे कि लोगों के बीच में एक इक्वालिटी आए। नो पर्सन कैन बी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अगेंस्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन, कास्ट and place of birth, and whether they are female or male, every person are equal. Every person has access to all public places including playground, hotel, shop and market. So the two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality through the law, the constitution. Firstly, government program scheme to help the advantage, MDM, it means कि mid day meal scheme. तो ये यहाँ पर सभी लोग मिलजुल कर खा रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं। सी इन दिस पिक्चर देखिए, मिड डे मील स्कीम रिफर टू द प्रोग्राम इंट्रोड्यूस इन ऑल गवर्नमेंट एलिमेंट्री स्कूल टू प्रोवाइड चिल्ड्रन विद कुक्ड लंच एंड मेन स्टेटस नॉमिनेट की फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट कि यहाँ पर न्यूट्रिशन का भी ध्यान दिया जा रहा है और साथ में अटेंडिंग द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो एजुकेशन। यहाँ पर अटेंडेंस के लिए भी इनरोलमेंट, बच्चे आएंगे, पढ़ेंगे और उनका ध्यान भी रखा जा रहा और इस तरीके से उनके अंदर एक रिलीजन, कास्ट का जो डिफरेंस है, जेंडर, फीमेल, सारे डिफरेंसेस भी रिमूव होंगे। और ये फर्स्ट स्टार्ट हुआ था तमिलनाडु। तमिलनाडु वॉज द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू स्टार्ट द मिड डे मील इन स्कूल। नाउ स्टूडेंट और डिटेल में देखिए, मिड डे मील स्कीम ऑल गवर्नमेंट एलिमेंट्री स्कूल टू प्रोवाइड चिल्ड्रन विद कुक द लंच first started in Tamil Nadu in year 2001. The Supreme Court asked all state government to begin this program in their school within 6 months. Benefits क्या था? More poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending the school. इस तरीके से वो स्कूल अटेंड करेंगे। Student attendance has improved also and their mothers need not to interrupt their work to feed them. It has reduced the caste prejudice and दलित वुमेन हैव बीन एम्प्लॉयड टू कुक द मील। और दलित के लोग जो थे वहाँ पे खाना भी बना रहे हैं और इस तरीके से उनके अंदर जो डिसएडवांटेज था कम्युनिटी में वो एडवांटेज होगा किसके थ्रू? MDM, इट मीन्स मिड डे मील स्कीम। तो untouchability is also banned, no discrimination and all can access public places also and persons are equal and it is the show for equality. Okay, now right to equality, this is the again parts of revise ki article I am already discussed, equality before law. Okay, article 15 prohibition of discriminations on ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16 equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. Article 17 abolition of untouchability. Article 18 abolition of titles. Now see Article 15 also detail, I am already discussed this part कि prohibition of discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on ground only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, any of them. सब लोग equal हैं। Every person has access to all public places including playgrounds, hotels, shops and markets.